Hi, my name is Eric O'Brien, and this is my Game Engine's final assignment. Uh, so we can see here that you can move around as a player with just the left thumbstick on the Quest controller, as well as a snap rotation on the right. We can see here that there's a leader-bird and a flock of birds in a V formation behind them. So the leader-bird has two states. One state is the follow state, and the other state will be seek when you throw food on the ground. So you use an area 3D uh, detection on the ground, which will detect this ball of food. So I can just throw this over here, and then we'll see now the birds have changed, and now they're seeking the food. Let's see here, the food will disappear, and then more food will spawn there, as well as the birds will go back to the other state, which is the follow path state. There is a custom script as well, just for the V formation, and as well you can use this menu here. So here we can turn on some sounds. You can probably hear that. There's like some relaxing music. There's some bird noises, which uses an audio listener player 3D. So the birds will sound a bit more far off if they're further away, and closer if they're close enough to you. You can also remove a bird and add a bird to the flock. So here we'll just see now when they get in front of us. So here we can see one gone, two gone, three gone, four gone. So we can lower it down. This won't remove the leader bird. It will only remove the flock birds. We can see here. See, it's not letting me do it. So then I can just add a few more birds. I can have a big flock of birds as well. We can just, the XR tools is used for the pickup of this, but everything else was made using CSG shapes, including the birds. And then we'll see again that the birds will go down and seek the food. And once they seek it, they'll just go back to following their path. The idea came to me as well when I seen in Smithfield Square that there was a sign there that you couldn't feed the birds, so I thought this simulation would be pretty cool. Some of these trees are similar to what's in the square. So yeah, thanks very much.